Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, before we continue or get started, make sure you check if you subscribe, and if not, make sure you click on that subscribe button so you'll be able to get an update from us on anytime we upload. So, let's take a look at GBP JPY for the day. So, we've done weekly analysis on this GBP JPY, right? I told you guys that we should be expecting a bullish move on this GBP JPY. So, if you take a look at it for today, which is on the 19th of December, GBP JPY gave us a bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish. There's no doubt about that. So you can see it, right? Price opened and closed bullish. Now we would want to know where this price would be moving for the next day, right? So in order to be able to predict such movements, right, you would want to see our JPY index first. So this JPY index, when you take a look at it itself, right? Let's sit on the daily time frame, right? You see that this JPY index is actually dropping. There's something like a range, price is kind of ranging within this level. I think it is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. You would get into that soon. So you see it on this 4-hour daily time frame. You see that once price came to this same level, price rejected and it went down. Then price again came to this same level again. It's rejected. You can see this huge candlestick wick. And now price is at this level. What do we expect? We are seeing a rejection. So definitely the next level we would want to see price actually drop to is this level low below here. So since price has been rejecting this top, which is their highs, right? We see price has been rejected. So the next level we want to see this price drop to is this low. So as long as this JPY index is dropping to this level, they'll be expecting a bearish move on JPY/PS. So we will be having a bearish move or a drop on JPY. That will give way for us to actually have a bullish move for the next day on GBPJPY. So GBPJPY for the next day, which is 20th of December, right? 2022. We should also see it open and close bullish. And I believe the next day, the bullish move should actually break above this moving average. So we would want to see a bullish move on GBP JPY, right? And that bullish move should be able to take out our moving average and be trading above the moving average. So you can consider this as an impulse move if you want, and this will be as a correction. Then here comes a new impulse move. You see that this impulse move broke this previous highs, and here comes a correction. So after that, what do you expect? We expect a further ice. Thereby, that new ice needs to break this ice. So as we'll be having this ice, that should be giving us a bullish move. So for a couple of days now, we should be expecting GBPJPY to give us that bullish move, right? Now let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So on the 4-hour time frame, the price is kind of like different, right? We are seeing lower lows and the lower highs. And I do say that before you place your trade, you would want to see that your 4-hour time frame trend actually match with your daily time frame trend. So you can see on this 4-hour time frame trend, this is kind of like a bearish move. You can see it downward, and here comes a correction. You can see another move downward, right? Here comes a correction. This is again a move downward, and here comes a correction. There's every possibility or probability that this price will actually drops further down and break these lows, but I don't think such movement will be made, because when I've gone to my JPY index, I've seen that I don't JPY index will be dropping. Thereby, we should be expecting a bullish move on this GBPJPY. But before that, you would want to see kind of like 4 or 5 multiple breakout structure upward on the 30 minutes time frame before we go ahead to take this trade. First of all, let's see it on the 4-hour time frame. We can see that this is a huge impulse move, right? So we should be expecting for a pullback, which it will make sense. So once that pullback has been made, then you can now go ahead to go long on this GBP/JPY. Secondly, we can see that this price is still trading above our moving average. Now, if you want to place this trade, you want to go to your 30 minutes time frame. What can you see? You clearly can see an impulse, multiple break of structure upward. So you can see on the 30 minutes time frame, this is an impulse, and here comes a correction, right? And here a new highs have been made, and here comes a correction. That is impulse one, pullback, impulse two, pullback. This is impulse three, and this is pullback. So you can possibly wait for the last impulse to be made, which is the fourth one. So once the fourth impulse is been made, then you can go ahead to go long on GBPJPY. And if you want to go ahead to go long on GBPJPY, then it is actually fine. It is actually cool. So you can go ahead to go long. Since we are having multiple break of structure upward on the 30-minute time frame, then I think it is a good opportunity to actually go long on GBPJPY.